Perched rocky terrain surrounded by desert flora, the house seamlessly blends into nature while offering a cozy yet futuristic retreat. And with a wooden deck right in front, this is the perfect spot to take in the vast, open skies and mountain views. Wow, just like at this space. This off-grid tiny house is a perfect blend of simplicity and modern design. Right away, you can feel the warmth of wooden interior and that massive geometry windows. Absolutely stunning. It's not only floods the space with natural light, but also frames the breathtaking outdoor view like a living piece of art. One thing I love about this design is the use of siding for both the walls and ceiling. It creates such a cozy cabin like atmosphere while maintaining a sleek, a contemporary look, and unlike some tiny homes with sloped or irregular ceiling. This one has perfectly perpendicular walls, which makes the space feel more structured on balance. And now, moving into the kitchen, considering the compact size of the house, layout is impressively functional. Everything is within reach. From the countertop to the storage cabinets, it's minimalist yet efficient with enough space to prepare meals comfortably. And with all this natural light coming in, even cooking in a small space feels open and refreshing. And this is where things get even more interesting. Love bed and the stairs leading up it are well integrated, maximizing space without making the room feel cramped. It's a brilliant way to separate the sleeping area from the rest of the living space while keeping everything open and airy. And and of course, no tiny home is complete without a cozy lounge area. Even with its compact size, the setup offers a perfect spot to relax or enjoying with a meal while taking in that stunning view from the massive windows. It's amazing how much functionality they have packed into such a small footprint. And the lighting in this tiny house is just perfect, both natural and artificial. The combination of warm wooden tones, bright natural light, and simple yet stylish decor makes this space feel so much bigger than it actually is. And it's a beautiful example of how thoughtful design can transform even the smallest of space into a dream home. All right, let's talk about the stunning off-grid tiny house bathroom. Usually, when you think of this, when you think about the tiny homes, you might imagine cramped, dark, and purely functional bathroom. But this is next level design. This is next level design. Right away, the first thing that catches my eyes is that massive geometric windows. Just look at how it transforms the entire space, making it feel open and connected to the outdoors. And then we have the wood siding. Unlike traditional bathrooms that really on tiles or cold materials, this space embraces warm wooden texture and both walls and ceiling. And it creates a cozy natural atmosphere while maintaining that clean modern aesthetic. The perpendicular wall gives the space a structured, well-defined look, making everything feel balanced and intentional. And now imagine soaking in this bathtub while enjoying the incredible view. I love how the designer placed it right near the window. The perfect way to bring in natural light and create a spa-like experience in an off-grid setting. Whether it's relaxing evening soak or a refreshing morning bath, that setup is unbeatable. And of course, functionality is the key in any bathroom, and this space is no exception. The toilet is positioned neatly in the corner, and look at that an exhaust fan right above it. This is a smart addition ensuring proper ventilation, which is crucial in any tiny house to prevent moisture build-up and maintain fresh air circulation. And next up, we have the best wash basin and mirror, simple yet elegant. The sink is compact, yet it doesn't feel cramped thanks to the well thought out layout. And that mirrors, it not only serves its practical purpose but also helps reflect light, making the room appear even more spacious. And lighting in this bathroom is absolutely perfect. It's a mix of natural brightness during the day and thanks to the massive window and well placed artificial lighting for nighttime use. And even in tiny space, the designer have managed to strike the perfect balance between aesthetic and functionality. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and also the interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and useful inspiration. Okay, guys, okay, everyone, thanks for watching, thanks for enjoying this video until the end, and just wait for my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel, and have a good day.